Let's take a look at the inbound call experience now. Whether a call comes in directly or via a support queue, the experience is exactly the same. But what you want to pay attention to here, as well as an agent of a call center queue, is the inbound calls in the list here. So what we will do, place a call in. This is a call that's coming in via a call center queue. So you can see here, you can see the calls from the support queue. Here it doesn't show it, it shows the number of the contact. And the reason that is because the call center exists on our platform and not in the Microsoft Teams environment. Because of that, Microsoft Teams is not aware of a queue name. So use Unity to tell you what queue is coming in. So if you need to answer the call for that particular client, hello, thanks for calling support, you'll see that detail there. That's the inbound call experience. You see, you answer the call within Teams and come to Unity again to drive the call. We'll end the call from here.